Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a recipe. I'm going to be preparing mushroom pulao. This is a perfect recipe, one pot meal. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for mushroom pulao. I've already prepped my mushrooms. I've washed it thoroughly, patted dry, sliced it in half and reserved it. I'll be using yogurt. We need finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, slit green chilies, basmati rice. We need ginger and garlic paste. For the whole spices, I'll be using bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, mace, one black cardamom, and a dried caper, that is Marathi mogu. If you cannot find Marathi mogu or black cardamom, you can leave that out. Here I'll be using spice powders, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder, and turmeric powder. I'll also be using some frozen peas in this recipe. For garnish, we would of course require coriander, mint, and lime. So all the ingredients will be mentioned in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed written recipe. All the links to my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter will also be listed in the description box below this video, along with my YouTube Tamil channel link. Here I've placed a pressure cooker on medium flame, and once the pressure cooker has reached temperature, I've added ghee and oil. Once the ghee and oil has reached temperature, I've added whole spices and allowed it to splutter. Once the spices have sputtered, I've added finely chopped onion, tomato, slit green chili, ginger and garlic paste. We need to fry all of this till the onion turns transparent. Place this on medium flame, don't place it on high flame. So once the onion tomato has fried well, at that point I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of yogurt. We have added yogurt. We'll fry all the ingredients again along with the spice powders, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala. Here you can see the masala has formed. You've got a very rich and flavorful masala paste. At this point I will be adding my peas and the sliced mushroom or the halved mushroom. There is something I would like to tell you about mushrooms. It releases a lot of moisture. You have to be very careful when you're adding water to this dish. Your mushroom will ooze out enormous amount of water and your pulao might go soggy. You should reduce the water content in the pulao. Here I've washed the basmati rice and added the basmati rice. You can soak the basmati rice for 5 minutes before cooking it. Here I've added the washed and soaked basmati rice. I soaked my basmati rice for 5 minutes. Now I'll fry all the ingredients together. You also need to fry your mushrooms in the masala for a minute or 2 minutes. It will give a good flavor and the mushroom will absorb all of that masala. I've added salt to my pulao. I'm going to mix all the ingredients. For every 1 cup of rice, we normally add 2 cups of water, but here I'll be using 1.5 cups of water. I've measured and added my water, stirred all the ingredients, placed a cover and a whistle, and cooked it for 2 to 3 whistles. From house to house, everybody's pressure cookers work differently, so place the whistle and cook it accordingly. For our house, we place the pressure cooker on high flame with the whistle on for 5 minutes, and once my pressure has released, I've opened the pulao. It's perfectly done. So at this point I'll be adding my lime juice, finely chopped mint and coriander. I'll mix the pulao once and serve it as hot as possible with raita. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my social media handle links. In the icon above this video you can click for my blog. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye bye.